In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook unable to log in. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if you're experiencing an error in Facebook when you open your Facebook application and try to log in, you receive the unable to log in message. So to fix this, what you can do is to go to your phone settings. Now go to your app settings and search for Facebook. Now select your Facebook app, scroll down and select storage. From here, you want to clear cache because clearing cache fixes a lot of bugs from the app. And also you want to clear the data. So now after doing that, what you want to do is go to the Play Store or App Store and search for Facebook. Make sure that your Facebook application is updated to the latest version. So after doing that, what you want to do is to simply restart your phone. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.